Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and making sure location services are enabled. This allows edits and contributions to attach to your identity. Once signed in, open the Google Maps app or Maps. Google. Calm and zoom to the specific location you want to update. Make sure you've gathered supporting evidence, photos, business hours, exact address numbers, or official documents, because Google weighs proof when it verifies edits. Now, select the place or drop a pin to begin the edit process. Once you've selected the place, tap Suggest an edit to change name, address, category, or hours. You can also add photos to corroborate changes. For non-business features, choose Edit the map to modify roads, paths, or POI geometry. Add missing roads, correct directions, and mark one-way streets so routing improves. Make precise edits and include context in any comment field, because Google's reviewer team compares new data against satellite imagery, street view, and third-party sources before approving. After making your changes, submit them and immediately check your contributions to monitor review status. Google typically lists pending, accepted, or rejected edits. If an edit is rejected, don't repeat the same low-evidence change. Instead, add stronger proof, clear dated photos, official listings, or a business owner verification to increase acceptance chances. For critical or time-sensitive errors, use Report a Data Problem, or, if you represent the business, claim the business profile to make verified updates that.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.